how to customize Tumblr post fonts and styles. First of all, open the Tumblr app and make sure you are logged into your account. From the dashboard, tap the pencil icon to start a new post or open an existing post to edit. In the post editor, write your content as usual. To customize your fonts and styles, tap the double text formatting icon or the formatting toolbar at the bottom of the screen. Here you can change the font style and size. You can also add lists, quotes, and links to make your post more engaging. Once you are happy with your font and style changes, tap Post to publish it on your blog. Now you know how to customize Tumblr post fonts and styles. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.